If you love to cook, you're going to love Lafoodle.com. Especially if your most treasured recipes are, well, all over the place. That's because at Lafoodle.com, you can collect your favourite recipes, organise them, and keep them safe forever. Then, collect recipes from any website at the click of a mouse. You can also add notes and comments whenever you like, because Lafoodle isn't just about recipes. It's about sharing a love of cooking, your comments, suggestions, and even special ingredients with family and friends. Then inviting other people to share theirs with you. From near or far, it's entirely up to you. Lafoodle comes into the kitchen too, so you can view your recipes on computers, smartphones, and on your Monfoodle recipe reader, which can also take all the spills and splashes your cooking can throw at it. So say goodbye to lost recipes and countless cookbooks. Say hello to tried and tested recipes you can enjoy every day. There's always something cooking at Lafoodle.com.